And we can show you the bottom. So as you can see, there is surface rust, but there's nowhere that it has been eaten through in the bottom. So you can see right here, but this is completely intact. Okay, we'll open the drawers for you. So here is the top. Definitely needs to be cleaned out a bit. And the sides. We'll open the drawers for you. That's the, move your arm. That's the top drawer. Middle drawer. There is something in the back of this drawer. It looks like some sort of epoxy. I don't think that was put there because there's damage underneath the drawer. I think something just got spilled there, and you'd have to chip that off. And here are the side drawers. Okay. And here is these, which are completely intact. All right, I think that's it. We do not have the key. Let me know if you have any more questions.